Guys, let me show you the rear fender. That's what it's going to look like. What I did is I cut the back off. Okay, now the tail light is going to sit up here. Okay, let's get the tail light. You know, these are going to be these we're going to weld in. The tail light is going to sit there like that. That's no problem. Now, let me show you what we'll do with these side struts. The side struts, we're going to cut these. See, the side struts, we're going to put them back. They're going to be painted the same color as the fender. Fireman's purple. But what we're going to do is we're going to cut, see where that magic marker line is? We're going to cut it there. Then I'm going to cut the end off. And I'm going to weld the end up here so I can use the same turn signals, which they'll be bullet turn signals. But we'll take that guy and put it in there, and the strut will basically end. It'll end there, and we can have turn signals coming off of here. We'll have our brake light up here. Now the license plate, I doubt very seriously I can put the plate here. The plate's going to probably have to be mounted off of that. That's probably where the plate's going to have to be mounted. And along with the license plate light's going to have to go down there too. But yeah, it's going to look slick, man. It's going to really look slick as hell when this is done. Let me see if I can put that seat on there. If I can find the seat, I'll show you guys and give you a real fast mock-up. I'll tell you, that's not too bad, man. Tell you the truth, I'm half tempted. I'm tempted not to even put them damn struts back on. But see, the struts hold the turn signals. You know, I almost have to have the struts on. Okay, guys, so that's what she's going to look like, man. It's going to look pretty damn good. Now, actually, this is going to sit up a little bit. That's going to sit like that. This hole here, we're going to have to weld that in. We'll weld these holes here in. And you see, I took the decals off the tank. This side over here, I actually burned some of the paint. But it doesn't matter. What we're going to do is so this paint comes off real easy. It's real easy. This will come right off with a heat gun. That's what we're going to do with that. Matter of fact, I'll heat gun the rear fender too. The paint is real cheap. It's almost like it's spray paint. It's really cheap paint. She's coming along.